Welcome to ADVUUT tips and tricks. Now we see HTML styles. If we see HTML styles, we type this code. This is a P. I am normal, and under the P there is a style equal double inverted comma color red, tag I am red, I am blue, I am big, and there is font size 36px. I am big. Then if we run it, we here is the output. Color red, I am red, and I am blue, this is blue, and I am normal. I am normal, this is I am red, I am big, I am blue, and I am big. So here is the style. HTML style attribute. Setting the style of an HTML element can be done with the HTML style attribute. HTML style attribute has the syntax. Syntax is this only for you. This is the syntax. Tag name, this is the tag. Style, property, this is the property, and value, this is the value. This is the syntax. Property has a CSS property. The value is a CSS value, and you will learn more about CSS later in our tutorial. HTML background color. Now you see HTML background color property defines the background color of an HTML element, and a example is this. HTML in the body style background color powder blue, this is the color powder blue, and in H1 there is a heading, this is a heading, and under P this is a paragraph. Then if we run, this is the powder blue background color, this is a heading, and this is a paragraph. This is a heading and this is a paragraph. Now we see HTML text color. Color property defines the text color of an HTML element. Now we see the text color. If we want text color, then suppose H1, under H1 there is a style color blue, this is a heading, and under P there is a style color red, this is a paragraph. Okay, fine. Here is the color. For font color. Color style color blue. This is a heading, and this is a heading. This is blue. Color red. This is a paragraph. This is the red color, and text is this is a paragraph. So this is font, and the font family property defines the font to be used for an HTML element. Font families code is this: H1 font family Bardana. This is a heading, and P style font family Courier. This is the font family's font. This is the Bardana font, and this is Courier font. Font means text, and the text size property defines the text size of an HTML element. If we define a font size, I type this H1 under H1 style font size 300%. This is 300%, and font size this is 160%. If we want text alignment, the text align property defines the horizontal text alignment for an HTML element. Just like this: text align center, centered heading, centered paragraph. Just use text align. Now we know about the use style attribute for an styling HTML elements: background color for background color, color for text color, and font family for text font, font size for text size, and text align for text alignment. So today's okay, fine. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.